So yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and okay. To my old subscribers, welcome back. Thank you guys for sticking around with me, and to my new subscribers, welcome to the house, and we hope you guys will enjoy the journey with us. So as Ramadan is coming to an end and it's nearly Eid is just around the corner, I thought I'll do a quick tutorial for you guys, just so it can give you guys an idea of what look to go for on Eid, even though we're going to be at home. Even though it's we're all stuck indoors, we're still going to slay and look our best, take our beautiful pictures. Yeah, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. But guys, can I just say, please hit that subscribe button. It's just somewhere there. Don't watch without subscribing, yeah, I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. It's there. So but yeah, thank you guys so much, and I wish you guys a happy Eid Mubarak. Enjoy it with your family, eat loads, drink loads, and just enjoy your time with your family. Yeah, so bye guys, I have to go now. I've rumbled a lot, but yeah, take care. So guys, I've prepped my skin off camera. It's very important to prep your skin, and I'm just spraying the Pixi Rose Gold Mist just to hydrate my skin before we carry on. And I'm using the Ordinary Spreadability Fluid Primer to prime my skin. It's my first time using it. And here I have my NARS, my favorite foundation, and my shade is Namibia. Make sure you shake it well before. So now I'm just using my fingers to place the product on my face and using the Real Techniques buffing brush to blend out all the foundation. So make sure you blend your life away. So I'm all about skin. I love the base to be like flawless. So make sure you blend. Don't rush. Just blend, blend, and blend. So we're now using again the NARS foundation, but I'm using 2 shades lighter than me. So this is Marquises. So I like to do this step just to brighten in under my eyes and on my eyelids and everywhere before I go ahead to conceal. So I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear in NC45 just to highlight under my eye area. So you want to use a concealer that is like 2 shades lighter than you, or even 3 shades if you can blend it. So make sure you blend, blend, blend. The key to a flawless makeup is blending. There's no you guys can shortcut or magic to it. Just blend. That's what you want to do as well. Just blend all the product into your skin. So I'm using Revolution's Conceal and Correct concealer in shade 18 to contour. So this is cream contouring, but if you're not comfortable using a cream contour, you can just use a powder one if you're a beginner, because it's harder to blend the cream concealer rather than the powder one. So I would say if you're a beginner, just stick to the powder one. But yeah, so I'm using again a different beauty blender. It's a damp beauty blender, because that's what you want to work with. It's easier to blend in the products when the sponge is damp rather than dry. So I'm going in with my brush, and now I'm spraying again. I love to spray every step of my base I like to spray. And I'm using my Mercier translucent powder to set all the areas that I've highlighted, and I'm just pressing it into my skin. So now I'm setting because I'm going to move on to the eyes. So I want it to like have some setting powder just to sit on my face for a while. So I'm baking. So now we're moving to using my favorite palette, the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. These colors are so good. So I'm using that brown to create a transition color. And I'm using, I think this brush is from Morphe. I can't remember the number, but I'll put it all in the description bar. So you just go, you know, back and forth, and then we go and use the purple on the palette just to give my outer area more definition. Because so I'm packing on the color, so I keep dipping it into my palette and then just put it on my outer area just so that the color will be vibrant, because I want the purple to be like to stand out. But make sure you blend it very well as well and take it higher up to the crease area. So just repeat this process until you're happy with your blending on your eyes. Now we're moving on to the James Charles palette, another favorite of mine. This is by Morphe, and I'm using that purple shade there as well just to go over the purple that is already on our eyes, and we're just giving it more depth. Again, blend. And now we're using P. Louise's base. I think this is Rumo Zero. I'm not too sure, but I think it's Rumo Zero. I'll write it in the description bar. And I'm using a very flat brush just so I could like cut my crease and do the base for my eyeshadow on my lids. Yeah, make sure to use a flat brush so that it will help you easily cut the crease and make it so easy for you to go and unpack your colors on your lid. And I'm using still the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm using the pink, the lightest pink shade, just to pack it on my lid in the middle. Again, I'm going back to my Zulu palette. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I went back to my Zulu palette to take that like a shimmery pinky color. That's very nice, and it works really well with the purple. And here I've got my gel liner glitter. I'm using the color Lilac. So this one I just got it from AliExpress. So I had a pack of I think 12 or so, but they're really good. So I mixed lilac and pink, hot pink, just to like do a glitter liner. So now we're moving on to the lashes, and these lashes are by Us they're gonna launch very soon, inshallah. So it's part of our 3D collection. Very, very pretty. So yeah, stick on your lashes because I feel like a look is not complete without lashes. Like without lashes, your look is not complete. And now we move on to the brows. I tend to do my brows like, at the end. So I do everything else and do my brows. And I'm using Precisely My Brow by Benefit Cosmetics. It's my favorite. It's very precise. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just going to outline the bottom of my brows, and then I'm going to do the same for the top of the brows, and then in the middle, I just add hair-like strokes, just very lightly, so your brows will look natural and defined without looking harsh on the face. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is why I love this pencil, because it just helps you do that easily. And now I'm going to go ahead with my Gimme Brow. Again, this is by Benefit. It's a microfiber gel. So just to add a bit of more color on my brows and fullness. So I'm using my MAC Pro palette just to tidy up my eyebrows. So yeah, the brows are all done, looking nice and defined. So I've just sprayed my Pixi Rose Gold Mist and Urban Decay All Nighter. And the highlighter that I used was from Revolution, and it's the Reloaded palette. It's really, really nice. And now I'm lining my lips with Kiko 321 lip pencil. So yeah, this Kiko lip pencil is so nice, and it works for all skin types as well. So I think you guys should try it. It's really, really good. So now we're moving on to adding gloss on the lips, and this is NYX Butter Lip Gloss, and in the name Madeline, I think that's how you say it. Yeah, again, spray.